What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio, with Mobility Direct, and as many of you may know, if you're subscribed to our channel, we recently went to MedTrade in Dallas, Texas, and we saw a ton of awesome new products and old products. And one scooter that caught my eye in particular is the Golden Technologies Companion HD in the 3-wheel configuration. We've never had one of these before in our store, so I took the time to make a video. What makes this model unique is that it has full suspension, 6 inches of ground clearance, and a 500-pound weight capacity. Not only that, it just looks awesome. I mean, it is rugged. It has some huge tires. It's super off-road capable, yet it's compact enough to take inside of a grocery store. It has a very easy-to-use throttle system. You can use your left or your right hand independently. It has automatic brakes. Just let go of the throttle and the brakes lock in. It's super safe, super dependable. It's made by Golden Technologies. I mean, they are one of the top manufacturers. They provide some of the best warranty support in the industry. So check out that motor. It's a 450 watt, 24 volt DC motor. Full suspension, really rugged, thick steel frame all throughout. I've tested this thing on numerous different terrain types, including hills, grass, mulch, dirt, and it hangs with the best of them. It's also very affordable, considering the price of the other in-class heavy-duty off-road models, with a price point of just $2,999 at the time of this video. Again, it is a medical-grade scooter, so you can definitely take it into a grocery store, a restaurant, you can take it wherever, and it's rugged enough to go off-roading with. And that's what makes it very unique and versatile. I took it grocery shopping. We have an in-depth review video of the 4-wheel model, which you're seeing on the screen now. I encourage you to watch that video. The main difference is the 4-wheel model is going to be a little bit more stable for uneven terrain types. The 3-wheel model is going to have more foot space and it's going to turn sharper. Other than that, they're identical. They come apart the same way. They have pretty much the same specs except for the turning radius. So enjoy the video. We're going to be at the trade show talking about the 3-wheel model now. Again, if you want to see the 4-wheel, check out our other video.
What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio, and I'm with Mobility Direct here at MedTrade 2025 in Dallas, Texas. I want to tell you a little bit about the Companion HD 3-wheel by Golden Technologies. This is a really heavy-duty mobility scooter with a 3-wheeler setup. It's available on a 4-wheel. With the 3-wheel setup, you're going to have a lot of foot room. Look at this. This thing holds up to 500 pounds. I have a size 12 boot on right now. Plenty of space to sprawl out. This thing has a 24-inch wide seat. Look at this thing. This seat is huge. Full captain seat with a backrest, headrest. It's got full suspension. It has huge tires, tons of ground clearance. Now, I'm not going to go over all the specs, but I will put them on the screen at the end of the video. I'm also going to put a hidden message on the screen. So if you want to learn how to get access to an exclusive discount code to save you big on your next purchase, whether it's this scooter or any other scooter, pay attention, see if you can spot that hidden message at the end of the screen. For now, I just kind of want to tell you what makes this thing unique. First of all, it's a workhorse. It's super dependable. Companion scooters have been around for decades. They have the lowest repair rate compared to most other scooters in its class. And when something does go wrong, because no scooter's perfect, you can count on Golden Technologies to be there for you to process warranty claims quickly and efficiently. Now, this scooter is available in several different models. You've got the Companion 3-wheel, 4-wheel, the 340, the 440, and the 540. We have videos for each one. This is going to be the biggest one, the heaviest, most heavy-duty one, I should say, in the 3-wheel configuration. Again, 500-pound weight capacity. Comes with a front basket. It's going to have a really nice turning radius for a huge scooter and handle all different types of terrains with those huge multi-terrain tires. Now, the seat does come off and you could fold the handlebar down. It does have a tilt adjustable tiller and you could put it into a van or an SUV. You can adjust the tiller, of course, if you're with the seat on to bring it closer to you, further away from you. Not only that, you're also going to have the ability to rotate the seat 360 degrees. Not only that, folks, check this out. You've got 2 cup holders, not one. And that's obviously a deal breaker for many people. I'm just kidding. But while we're here, here's the charging port. You also have a USB charging port. So if you want to charge some of your USB powered devices while you're on the go, you could totally do so. You've got a standard Delta tiller here. with the wig-wag throttle system. So if you want to go forward, I'm just going to turn the speed all the way down. If you want to go forward with your right, you pull back on the right, push forward to go back on the right. Or if you're left-handed, you can use one hand, even one finger, to go forward or back. Speed control knob, horn, light kit here. You can see the light on the front's pretty bright. Comes with an extra large front basket free of charge. The armrests are also height adjustable, width adjustable, and of course you're going to have a universal 1-inch hitch receiver on the back. Full LED brake lights, tail lights. Look at those suspension coils. Amazing. What I really like is that it also has transit hooks for buses. You can lock them in and they're not going to go anywhere if you have the right harness system on some public transportation systems. Nice anti-tip wheels there, just in case, not that you need them. Circuit breaker reset switch down there. And I'm not sure if most of you know this. This might be something that you're not aware of, but underneath the footplate is where you're going to find a troubleshooting guide and information about the model, operating and safety tips. That's always someplace to look on the Companions. Kind of a inside secret that you may not know about unless you've owned a Companion before. And it's going to have a really easy to read display for the battery gauge. Okay, here's your ignition. Super easy dash assembly to use. Even if you've never had a scooter before, this thing is really easy to operate. You don't have to worry about brakes. It has automatic brakes. As soon as you let go of the throttle, it's locked into position. It's not moving. So again, folks, this is the Golden Companion HD GC540. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. I hope you learned something today. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll personally respond to you within 1 business day. Until next time, everybody, have a great day.
All right, folks, so I'm here on our website, mobilitydirect.com, looking at model GC540. That's the Companion HD 3-wheel. And again, what I think makes this thing awesome is the affordability factor. It's just under $3,000 compared to other heavy-duty mobility scooters with the same 500-pound weight capacity. That is super affordable. You're not going to really find too many options at that price range. And it's made by Golden Technologies, which is a very trusted name brand in mobility. It is available in the color red, blue, and a dark gray color, which personally I like the best. It is preference though. You don't really have a ton of options, but there is one that stands out. It has an optional elevating seat. So that basically means the seat will have a motor that lifts the seat up with a 6-inch height range. So if you need to reach the cabinets up high to get the cookies that your wife or your husband hide from you, that's an option. It's not that expensive either. I've seen other models with the elevating seat upgrade option and it costs like double or triple the amount. $300 basically for the seat with the motor to raise the seat 6 inches. You do get a 1-year in-home repair plan to complement the parts warranty. That's free. You can upgrade to a 2-year or a 3-year in-home repair plan for an additional fee. So let's take a look at the specs. The total weight's about 225 pounds. It's a Class 2 medical device. It's made by Golden Technologies, goes up to 6 miles per hour, supports up to 500 pounds, travels about 16 miles on a full charge, 6-inch ground clearance, about an 8-degree incline rating. However, I think it could do more than that. It's just that's what it's rated for safety and liability purposes. It does have full suspension coils throughout. Technically, it is airline approved. I wouldn't call it airline friendly. You really want to take something that's lightweight and compact when you're traveling on an airplane. The airplane crew is going to have a hard time lifting this thing and putting it in the cargo storage area of the plane. So I would recommend something a little lighter, but you can travel with it on an airplane. If you've never traveled on an airplane with a mobility scooter, I highly recommend watching our documentary video. We take you through the entire process from start to finish so you know what to expect. That's going to include pre-check, gate checking, boarding the plane, landing at your destination, and receiving your scooter right at the exit door of the plane when you get off. It's a pretty seamless process if you know what you're doing. So I'll put the link in the top right-hand corner so you can check that video out if you're interested. It is IPX6 rain-resistant rating. However, you should really never use any mobility scooter in the rain. Its overall length is 48 inches, 26 inches overall width. It does disassemble and it does not fold. It is bulky, it is heavy, so taking it apart is not really going to be easy. You should consider getting a vehicle lift, like a mobility platform lift, kind of like a bike rack that goes on the back of your car. We sell those. If you're interested in those, give our non-commissioned sales experts a call. They'll tell you all about them. It has a forward and reverse drive mode. 450 watt motor. The peak wattage is unknown, but it is very powerful, I'll tell you that. Automatic brakes. The backrest does fold down, so when you remove the seat, if you need to put the seat inside your car, it does fold to save some space. It has 2 cup holders included, like you saw in the video. The turning radius is 51 inches, and it is a captain's seat that you get, 22 inches wide, 20-inch deep. That's the standard seat option. You do have an 18-inch backrest, the height of the backrest, that is. The seat is height adjustable. You have a 3-inch height adjustment range, and that's where you're going to get the seat to ground height specification of 24.5 inches up to 27.5 inches. So you have some wiggle room to play with if you need that seat to sit higher. If you have longer legs, if you're a taller person, you want to have it at the highest setting. If you're shorter, you probably want it down at the lower setting. And the seat to deck height is also adjustable, obviously, by 3 inches. So you have a lowest set point of 16.5 inches, the highest point 19.5 inches. Again, that's the seat to deck height where you put your feet. It does have a universal 1-inch hitch receiver square on the back, so you can put walker holders, cane holders, rear cage style shopping baskets like you saw in the video for grocery shopping. The seat does not recline, doesn't come with a seat belt. The seat does rotate. It does not slide forward and back. It's a clover style seat post. The seat is removable, and you do have that optional upgrade if you want to get the elevating seat with a lifting range of 6 inches. Armrests are included. They are height adjustable, width adjustable. They flip up. They are removable. The tiller is not height adjustable, but you can tilt the tiller all the way down. You have a lot of room to adjust the tiller forward and back, closer to you, further away from you. You do have that single-handed use Delta tiller with the wig-wag, kind of a teeter-totter throttle system. We call it an ambidextrous lever system, meaning you can use your left or your right hand. It is a rear-wheel drive motor. Solid tires, 10.25 inches on the front, 10.75 inches on the rear. That's the tire size. Maintenance-free, solid tires. You don't have to worry about getting a flat. It does come with a front basket. Doesn't have any other storage compartments, really. It does have lights, but it does not have turn signals. It's basically just a headlight and rear tail lights as well. You do have a horn. It's more of a buzzer or a beeper. You do have mirrors. You do not have a key fob or an alarm system. It's a Delta wraparound tiller once again. Sealed lead acid batteries is what it runs off of. It's got two 12-volt, 50-amp-hour batteries. Sealed lead acid again. You could put lithium batteries in there, however, that's not something that's being offered with this model when you order it. So with that, you have a 1,320 watt-hour rating with the sealed lead acid batteries that it comes with. Again, no current lithium battery upgrade. However, once your batteries are no good, the sealed lead acid batteries usually last about 2 to 3 years. If you want to put some lithium batteries in there, you can. Give us a call. We'll tell you which ones are compatible. It has a 24-volt, 8-amp off-board charger with a 3-pin barrel connector known as an XLR connection. It does have a charging point on the tiller. No Bluetooth speaker, no speaker system at all. It does have a digital display with the battery meter on it. Has a speedometer, has an odometer. It does not have really anything else on the digital display. It uses a 120 amp controller. It does have a USB charging port to charge your electronic devices with, which is pretty nice. It does have tie-down loops for public transportation to be able to tie down your scooter. However, you don't really need that because it has automatic brakes. It has a steel frame, 1-year service plan. That's that in-home service plan we were talking about. And it has a 2-year limited warranty on the electronics and the motor, 1-year limited warranty on the battery, and a 5-year limited warranty on the frame. Pretty awesome warranty. And again, Golden's just known for providing excellent warranty support. If you need parts, you need to file a claim, They expedite things very quickly. They get parts shipped out really quickly. You can count on a Golden product, hands down, whether it's the Golden Companion or any other model. That's going to wrap up this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, everybody, have a great day.